Meet Invisawear, smart jewelry that allows you to instantly contact friends, family, and police in an emergency. What would you do if you or someone you love was in an emergency? Obviously, you'd want to contact police or somebody close by that can come to your aid. However, it's unrealistic to simply look at an attacker and ask them to pause until you can grab your phone. Sadly, even if you could reach your phone, if you're unable to speak or simply don't know where you are, police don't have enough information to find you.
Invisawear uses the same state-of-the-art technology that's already embedded in smart cars. This technology has already proven to show faster and more effective response times by 1 to 5 minutes. When you're in a life-threatening situation where seconds count, we can improve response times by minutes. This is a monumental life-saving jump in personal protection. With the push of a button, you can instantly send your exact up-to-date location to local police dispatchers, while at the same time notifying your loved ones, letting them know that help has been requested. Invisawear uses Bluetooth Low Energy, has a 1-year battery, utilizes a smartphone app, uses GPS to send your exact location, and works internationally.
Invisawear products are stylish, discreet, and easily accessible. The best part is that they are interchangeable and can be placed in a variety of different styles. We want to partner with big-name jewelry companies so that you can have our products with brands that you already love.
So, you want a quick way to measure stuff. What if you could measure anything just by walking? This is Moasure One. It can measure as far as a 1,000-foot tape measure. Measure through walls and obstacles as if they weren't there. Measure winding cable lines or tracks. Measure angles and curves. Calculate the area of a room, volume for storage, or a shipping package. Get the right incline for your decking or stairwell photos. Find the right horizontal level and distance for your poster frames. Measure circular objects, cylinders, even irregular shapes, all with one hand. You just need to move it from one point to the other and you're done. Other measuring tools fail when there's too much light, the wrong surface, or if the space prevents them. Because it doesn't use lasers or a camera, Moasure One isn't restricted by light or space. Use it anywhere, anytime, no matter the circumstance. Moasure One is waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. Your recordings are immediately saved in the app, which is already being sold in the App Store. The app also turns your phone into a rudimentary Moasure device and already has 70,000 downloads and a solid 4-star rating from users. So, how does it work? Moasure One uses an advanced technology called motion measuring. Motion measuring is the same technology used in rocket guidance systems to accurately track the movement and locations of rockets in 3D space. Using gyros, accelerometers, and magnetometers, Moasure One plots its 3-dimensional position in any space to measure distance, angle, level, and much more. Moasure is the first motion measure device ever made for consumer use. It puts the same technology found in rockets in the palm of your hand. So, what are you waiting for? Back our campaign now and step into the
Powerup Dart, the first ever smartphone-controlled paper airplane that can do aerobatics. Yes, other planes can fly, but they can't loop or barrel roll or fly vertically. Dart can. It is incredible, and it is small. Just take a piece of paper, fold it into a plane, attach the module, download the app, and tell your friends G-Force got nothing on you. You're an aerobatics pilot now. Powerup Dart gets its incredible aerobatic capability from the high thrust to weight ratio and unique shape of the plane. Despite being so incredible, flying the Dart is easy and intuitive. Move the phone to any direction and the wings will follow. When you start, the plane goes to 70% of its throttle, so you can fly it like a regular plane. But press the boost button and you give the plane that extra kick that transforms it into a flying monster. A small flying monster. Powerup's Bluetooth module easily charges through its micro USB port, and the entire thing is made of carbon fiber and nylon, so it's nearly indestructible. Dart invites you to make many planes in many shapes, because every plane brings with it new tricks, and with them, new gasps for air. Try 5, 10, 50 planes, then fly them all together. Make a real show, arrange dogfights, break every barrier previously set by less incredible planes. And this little bugger is so cool, it can even fly around the office.
This little device helps you find a healthy balance between natural vitamin D production and sun protection. QSun tracks your sun exposure and lets you know how much time you'll have before you burn based on your skin type. It will warn you right when you're about to get a sunburn. Also, it can manage your vitamin D intake and sum up your monthly sun exposure and vitamin D production. QSun also includes a free companion app that comes with even more sun safety features. It tells you how much sunscreen to apply based on what you're wearing. It even helps you choose the sunscreen that best fits you. QSun provides the technology to protect your skin and maintain a healthier lifestyle. It'll help you slow down skin aging so that you can keep your skin looking young and healthy. You may remember us from our previous project, QTemp. We successfully shipped it to our Kickstarter backers last year. We listened to your feedback and redesigned it in a way to be more user-friendly and with new and improved features. QSun can be paired with the app or taken out on its own. You can use it to check how strong the sun is, or let it know you...
Meet Cardlax, the smallest and thinnest electric pulse massager available. Use it in your office, at home, at a restaurant, just about anywhere you want. Just place it in your wallet or purse, even your pocket, and take it anywhere. And with its long-lasting battery, you can be sure to get a relaxing massage anywhere you are. By sending a small electrical current to your muscles, it will cause a muscular contraction, and by cutting the electricity, it will cause you to feel as if a person is pressing their hands on your muscles, giving you that relaxing feeling. With simple-to-use controls, we have tried our best to make it as easy as pressing one button, so never again let those stressful moments catch you off guard. Keep Cardlax with you and feel relaxed.
Why this is not working?
Boss, what's going on?
I don't know, everything is broken in this office. I cannot work here anymore. This is so good.
Cardlax. Feel relaxed, even when everything at work is falling apart.